In this video, we're going to answer a very important question. What is price action in trading? Price action simply means reading the market by looking at price itself. No indicators, no predictions, just pure price movement. Every candle on your chart represents buyers and sellers fighting. Price action focuses on understanding who is in control. Are buyers stronger or are sellers stronger? When buyers dominate, price moves up. When sellers dominate, price moves down. And when neither side is strong, price moves sideways. Price action traders study trends, levels, and candlestick behavior. Instead of asking what an indicator says, they ask what price is saying. For example, higher highs and higher lows show an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows show a downtrend. Price action also focuses on support and resistance levels. These are areas where price often reacts or changes direction. A common beginner mistake is adding too many indicators. This creates confusion instead of clarity. Price action keeps things simple and clean. It helps traders understand market behavior, not predict the future. Price action does not guarantee winning trades, but it improves decision-making and timing. Most professional traders rely heavily on price action. Indicators are tools, but price is the foundation. The key takeaway is simple. Price action is learning to read the story the market is telling. And that skill starts with watching price carefully. In the next video, we'll break down market trends step by step.